the size of this strawberry.
Wow, that's huge. Where do you get those? I want to get some for strawberry shortcake.
C&A Farms, and man, are they good.
Oh, I've heard of them. They genetically modify their strawberries to make them bigger and better.
Hi, I'm Alexis Whaling.
And I'm Clay Haddon.
And we're from Indiana Ag and Technologies FFA chapter.
And we're going to be doing a demo on how to extract DNA from a strawberry.
So the importance of DNA extracting is critical to biotechnology and is a pivotal point for several applications ranging from fundamental research to routine diagnostic decision making. Extraction is also used to determine rare characteristics of DNA, including its size, shape, and function.
Okay, I'm going to tell you the materials you might need in case you want to perform this DNA extraction of a strawberry on your own at home. Okay, so we're going to need 2 clear cups, like you see there. The directions call for clear cups, so that's what you'll want to get. You'll need 2 teaspoons of dish soap. Any dish soap will work, but we have Dawn. And you're going to need a teaspoon of salt. Any table salt will work for what you're going to do. You're going to need a half cup of water, which we have here. You're going to need 1 strawberry or more, depending on how many times you want to perform this activity. You're going to need some plastic baggies, we have here. You'll need some wooden popsicle sticks. You'll need cheesecloth, some rubbing alcohol, and then a pair of tweezers, and also a pair of scissors to cut the cheesecloth with. Okay, so I'm going to explain step 1 to you as we demonstrate, as I explain it to you. But you're going to need to start off with 1 of your clear cups, and then you're going to want to get 1 teaspoon of salt out and put it into your clear cup. Either one of them works. And then we're going to get 2 teaspoons of dish soap to put in the clear cup with the salt and put it together. And then once she gets that done, we'll take the half cup of water and we'll pour the half cup water in with the dish soap and salt, and that will form the DNA extraction liquid we need for our strawberries to be able to extract the DNA. And then we'll take a wooden popsicle stick and stir it up, and just stir it for about 30 seconds or so. And then make sure it's all mixed together because you want it to be good mixed so it works right for your demonstration. Okay, so now she'll tell you what you will do for step 2 now that we have step 1 done.
Okay, so for step 2, you will take 1 strawberry and you will insert it into a plastic bag. You'll take the top off of the strawberry. And then you will use your hands to gently mash up the strawberry so there are no big chunks in it.
A big strawberry.
Yeah.
You probably won't have to pour all this over the cheesecloth, or else it'll make a mess.
And then after you do that, then you will take 2 tablespoons of your DNA extraction liquid that you mixed up in step 1.
And if you do have a big chunk, just pull it out, because the top of the strawberries is sometimes hard to get mashed up all the way.
And we'll put it into the bag and then gently mix that up with your fingers. And then we'll just set that aside.
Okay, so now I will explain step 3 to you. So you're going to want to get your cheesecloth and scissors out real quick, and you're going to want to pull out not a huge piece of cheesecloth, but reasonable size. And we're going to take and just cut the cheesecloth off real quick. And then we're gonna lay it over our spare or our other clear cup we have here, and then it's good to have someone help you hold so you don't let this stuff fall in, because you just want to let the strawberry liquid and stuff filter through. You don't want to get any of those pieces of strawberry into your glass. You just want to let it filter through for about 30 seconds or so, or until it stops dripping. And it is pretty easy to make a mess doing this, so you gotta be a little careful.
Okay, then for your last and final step, what you will do is you will pour an equal amount of the rubbing alcohol into the strawberry mixture that you just filtered through the cheesecloth, and the rubbing alcohol will extract the DNA and separate it from the strawberry liquid. And then as it's sitting there, after a little while, it'll a like cloudy layer will form over the top of the strawberry layer, and then you will be able to take your tweezers and pull it out, and then you're able to do whatever you need to test the DNA.
And I just want to point out, I don't know what size strawberries were whenever you guys were younger, but this is like a huge strawberry, and I think it's awesome they've been able to take the DNA and do this. Like there's people that work with just the strawberries to like work through their DNA and stuff to see what they could do to improve the soils, or what like not chemicals, but like fertilizers they could use to make it better. And I think it's awesome that they've been able to do that, because I remember whenever I was little and I'd go pick strawberries, they'd be like real small, but now you can go and it's pretty common to pick strawberries this size. And I think it's awesome that we've been able to do that and improve the genetics of a strawberry with this DNA extraction. I think it's a really cool, awesome program.
And Clay, did you know that we extract DNA from strawberries most of the time because they are easiest to mash up, like versus an apple? You know how hard it would be to mash up an apple?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, so now that the DNA has formed, so that is the DNA from strawberry.
That's pretty cool. I think it's awesome that we were able to just perform that in just a few minutes.
Yeah. So I think after all this hard work, I think we deserve some strawberry shortcake.
I think that's a great idea. Let's go make some. Thank you.